Okay, so let's talk about separating toolpaths that use the same tool. So for example, on this part right here, you have a face that uses a CNMG 432, and you also have an OD rough that also uses a CNMG 432. So the problem is the way Fusion 360 handles toolpaths that share the same tool is it doesn't separate it. You don't have the startup code. So let's post-process this. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, so you have your face operation right here, and after the facing, it repositions itself and it goes right into the OD rough. Okay, so the problem is if you have to run the part or rerun the part, you have to run the face with the OD rough. There's nothing to actually separate it unless you edit the code, and this gets old after a while. You have to write a lot of programs, especially if you're a job shop. You're doing a lot of setup, so a lot of it is you're teaching the tool and you're running it and then offsetting it down on tour and rerunning the part. You don't want to have to rerun the face with the OD rough. You want to separate these toolpaths. It makes your job a lot easier. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to, under the setup drop down, you're going to go to manual NC. Manual type, you're going to go to force tool change. Alright, so I'm going to hit force tool change, and I'm going to drag this in between the two tools that are the same. Okay, so it's in between the two different toolpaths that share the same tool. Now, when I go to post this code, what you're going to see is you now have the ending code. So it's going to go to tool change position, and it's going to cancel that tool comp. And then you have the startup code for your OD rough. Okay, so that's how you separate the toolpaths. You want to use manual NC force tool change.